so we're doing our test about rocks and minerals. So we'll start off talking about identifying minerals. So the way light reflects off the surface of a mineral is called?
Is luster.
Good. The color a mineral leaves behind on a white plate is called?
Split.
Not split.
Straight.
Yes, straight. Good. The way a mineral splits apart is called?
Split.
Okay. No. So the way a mineral splits apart is called? Cleavage. Okay. That's okay. Okay. What are the three types of rocks?
It's igneous rock, metamorphic rock, and sedimentary rock.
Good. And what type of rock do we find fossils in?
It's sedimentary rock.
Good. Okay. How are igneous rocks formed?
Igneous rock form when the magma pour out, become a lava, and when the lava cold and hot, and they become igneous rock.
Good. Can you give me an example of an igneous rock?
Obsidian.
Obsidian, good. And how are sedimentary rocks formed?
Sedimentary rock form a piece of rock together.
Okay, can you give me a bit more detail?
A piece of mankind rock pieced together, and it can some dead land and more.
Okay, good. So different pieces of rocks
Yeah.
fusing together. Okay. And can you give me an example of a sedimentary rock?
Limestone.
Good. Okay, what about metamorphic rocks? How are metamorphic rocks formed?
Metamorphic rock from any kind of rock, but it have a fresh and deep and become metamorphic rock.
Good, okay. And can you give me an example of a metamorphic rock?
Marble.
Good. Okay, so now we'll talk about changes on the Earth. So what are the two types of weathering?
It's a chemical weathering and physical weathering.
Good. And can you give me an example of physical weathering?
Rain.
Yes, so rain can cause weathering. Good. And so talking about chemical weathering, what is required for rust to form?
It's iron, water, and oxygen.
Good. What are some examples of landforms?
Valley, delta, canyon.
And so let's see this question. A large thick sheet of ice that slowly moves across land is called a?
Glacier.
Good. A deep, narrow valley with steep sides is called a?
Canyon.
Good. A hill formed by sand blown by the wind is called a?
Sand dune.
Good. Okay, talking about tsunamis and earthquakes. The Earth's crust is made up of large slabs of rock called?
Titanic.
Yes. So the place where the plates meet along a crack is called a?
Fault.
Good. And what causes an earthquake?
Earthquake cause when two tiles Titanic push each other and it make an earthquake.
Okay, good. So what can an earthquake cause?
Earthquake cause a volcano and tsunami.
Okay, good. One more thing.
It's a landslide.
Good. Talking about volcanoes. So magma that reaches the Earth's surface is called?
Lava.
Good. The opening in a volcano is called a? Yes, that's good. An opening in the Earth's surface where lava comes through is called a?
Hotspot.
Hotspot. Good. Okay. So finishing up talking about landslides. So what is a landslide?
Landslide is when the soil and earth go downhill on mountain. It becomes a landslide.
Good. What can cause a landslide?
A heavy rain, a storm, and an earthquake.
Good. Okay, and what is the difference between a flood watch and a flood warning?
A flood watch is happen before have a flood warning, and the flood warning happen after the flood watch.
Good. Okay. Yeah, that's good.